Reliability. Yes, that's the most important thing. We're definitely reliable. 50 years. That's how long we've been building parking systems. Amazing. Back in the mid-60s, who would ever have thought that parking would become such a huge problem? And not just in big cities either. Looking for a parking space can be so time-consuming and annoying, and in weather like this too. So it's good that we did a bit of thinking ahead back then. We don't do parking in the rain, you see. Time's never stood still, of course. There are far more vehicles around now, and as a result, we've become more innovative. We grow with every challenge, and with every solution. Here, for instance, our clever automatic parker was just the right solution. 16 vehicles on a 193 square metre area. That's roughly the size of a 5-room apartment. And the flat-screen TV is all part of the deal. Yeah, you have to move with the times, otherwise you fall behind. And we're still around. Thanks to brilliant constructions like our automatic parker. Each parking system becomes a miniature masterpiece. I can still remember the planning discussion we had for this one here. Our client couldn't believe we could do it, certainly not at such a low price. With every project, we sit down with everyone involved and mull over everything. You won't get any standard solutions from us. All that's standard with us is our expertise and our service. And also the time we take over each project, so that no details are overlooked. In planning, in design, and also in the construction phase. That's very important to us. We're not a leading manufacturer for nothing. When you consider that we're active in over 65 countries, and that countless people in the world's big cities use our parking systems millions of times daily. Amazing. Plus, we have such a variety of parking systems. Semi-automatic parking systems, fully automatic parking systems, parking modules, parkers large and small, in skyscrapers, in backyards, in towns, in the countryside, small cars, large cars. People keep asking me, what systems do you have, and will they suit my requirements? My answer is always, we'll make it fit. I'm serious about that. You don't get anything ready-made from us. Okay, we do have 4 basic systems, and each one works perfectly in its own right, but it's the combination that does it. Sometimes you'll have 3 different systems all forming a solution together. That's how we solve even the trickiest task, and we're champions at doing that. All that's important is that you have to trust us. Even for the longest multi-story car park in Europe, in Cologne, they relied on our quality and our expertise. What does make us so efficient and reliable? Is it our mission to be a leader? Or is it our customers who are so delighted with our products and our services? Aha! Now there's a fine specimen. Keeping a car like that in here is great, of course. Protected from wind and weather and from all those people who can never park properly. Or here, the SUVs. Lots of fun on the motorway, but in a cramped multi-story, having to maneuver between all those pillars, not so nice. High, wide and heavy, but we've come up with a solution for this vehicle generation too. Multi-Base 2072. The clever thing here is that Multi-Base 2072 is just as interesting for new buildings as it is for renovations, or for outdoors. And today, the future's already on our mind, electric vehicles. Park here and you can recharge your batteries. Sometimes our ideas and solutions are way ahead of the automotive industry. Okay, quality does come at a price, but on the other hand, quality pays off. Yeah, there's a lot more too. That great feeling of having everything under control, for instance. Being independent, because we really do manufacture everything ourselves. Quality made in Germany. It's far more than just a label. At our factory in Aitrach, we manufacture everything required for our parking systems from A to Z. Quickly and precisely, using state-of-the-art technology. It's amazing how much it involves actually, but then again, it's the only way to create the KLAUS Multiparking quality we're rather proud of. We're a premium supplier. That means we have an obligation, and it also spurs us on. Every day we give our very best, and with good products that's also very enjoyable, even over years. Here's another KLAUS Multiparking speciality. When systems start to get a bit older, they can of course be completely replaced by new ones, but often all you need is a professional renovation job. With older parking systems, a lot of customers worry that at some stage there won't be any spare parts left. No problem for us. We just manufacture the spare part again, as a one-off. With us, nothing's impossible. Actually, I wouldn't mind knowing the sort of thing people say about us.
My name is Jürgen
Rümke. I'm the manager of ABS Planung. We had major parking problems outside our headquarters for a long time because there just weren't enough parking spaces. Delivery vans and parking offenders made it even worse. Then the systems from KLAUS Multiparking were recommended to us. At first we were a bit skeptical about whether it could really improve our situation, but we've been using the system for 1 year now and it worked out really well. We're really delighted. In fact, we're planning to install KLAUS Multiparking systems at our other subsidiaries too, because it saves so much time, trouble and, ultimately, money. Maybe it's all of that that makes us so efficient and reliable. Yes, that's it. It all adds up to KLAUS Multiparking. Well, it's time we set off again for our next challenge. Maybe yours.